Hello everyone, it's Oliver Libby, chair and co-founder of the Resolution Project, and I'm here today with my dear friend, George Tsiatis, co-founding CEO of Resolution. We wanted to talk to you today about Resolution Project and our community during the time of the coronavirus outbreak. It's fair to say that we're living in unusual and challenging times today, and I wanted to report to you how Resolution is doing, but more importantly, some of the amazing things that Resolution Fellows are doing around the world today to take action and leadership in this time. First of all, I want to report to you that the Resolution team has been working from home for several weeks now and is safe and sound. As is not going to be a surprise to you, they have been amazing, resilient, and diligent in this time. They've taken care of themselves and their families so that they can now focus on the work of our community in improving the world in a very challenging moment in history. I want to turn it over to George to share with you some amazing points of light from our community because, as again will be no surprise to you, Resolution Fellows are taking action today. They're not waiting for someone else to lead. They are actually doing the things that will improve the world and help us get through this crisis. So George, over to you.
Thanks, Oliver. This is indeed a very trying time, but I want to let you, our community, fellows, volunteers, and partners know that our work is especially critical in this time of great need. With our program being mainly virtual, we'll continue to be able to offer the same amount of support to our fellows as we always have, if not more. Of course, our fellows, through tremendous disruption, are still leading the way and pivoting their ventures to respond to the needs they are seeing. They're using their infrastructure and networks to get information, support, and relief out as quickly as possible. For example, Nilika and Sagar are moving their mental health trainings for Sitta, their venture, online to meet the uptick in activity as a result of the national lockdown in India. Andrew and Jennifer from Hearts for the Homeless here in the United States have distributed sanitation items to homeless communities across 7 cities, reaching over 300 people. Hannah Darudinwala from Transfer Nation in New York City has saved over 8,000 pounds of food from closing restaurants and transported it to soup kitchens across the city. And Vivian Sang from Hope for Success started a movement among medical students at UBC in Vancouver to support frontline medical workers with childcare, pet care, grocery, and pharmacy runs, all to help them stay at their best as they fight this terrible virus. The movement has already started to spread across Canadian medical schools, and Vivian is looking to take it global. These are just a few examples of the incredible work Resolution Fellows are doing today, using their leadership and their innovation to solve global problems, no matter the challenge. I want to also share that this past weekend, I joined the Lead Boldly commitment alongside 1,500 other CEOs to commit my leadership and our organization to stop the spread. We all have a role to play in this. I'm proud to know that the Resolution community is ready to lead the charge across geographies, across cultures, and across generations, and I'm grateful to join together in this fight.
Thank you so much, George. Those stories were inspiring and amazing as I knew they would be. Just a few final words for all of you before we leave you today. First of all, we're all affected by this crisis, but for anyone who has family members and friends who actually have the coronavirus, we want to send you all of our best and our wishes that they get well soon. I know that it's very difficult to go through a time like this. There's so much uncertainty and there's so much news coming our way every day that seems dark, and it seems like we don't know when this is all going to end. The thing that we have going for us as a community is that Resolution Project is a microcosm of the world. Our fellows, our volunteers, and our team are in almost 80 countries. It's a truly global community. And it is that exact thing that gives me hope for the future. We have a community all around the world that is working together to improve lives, that is coming together especially in a time of crisis to show what leadership, innovation, and action can do. And that is the thing that, despite how difficult this crisis is, gives me hope every day. To hear what you are all doing and to know that you're all out there doing good work, supported by Resolution Project, is an incredibly inspiring thing. So if you need anything from us, please reach out. We're here for you as we always are, ever more today than before. Everyone at Resolution is safe and sound, and most importantly, waiting and working to improve the world together with you. Thank you.